Hi, I'm Nicolette from Mountain View Hearth Products. Today I want to take a quick moment to chat with you about shipping damage. Customers often think that perhaps their order was damaged before it leaves our warehouse. However, we take the time to make sure that we fully inspect your parts before they're packaged for shipment. Despite our best efforts, every now and then something does get damaged. But don't worry, we make the replacement process quick and easy. When you receive a package from us, inspect the contents within 7 days to make sure they arrived safely. Please note your order number, the SKU numbers of items damaged, as well as the quantity of damaged items. This information can be found on the packing slip or your invoice and will be required to file a claim. In order to submit a claim, you'll need to take a few pictures to provide evidence of damage to the box and its contents. Be sure to get pictures of the exterior of the box from different angles, as well as a picture of the top showing your name and the tracking number on the package. If your order was shipped in multiple packages, we will need pictures of each one. Your order was shipped in a new box that has greater bursting strength than the average box. Therefore, any creases, dents, or crush marks are signs that the package was improperly handled during transit from our warehouse to your home. When we ask for pictures of the outside of the box, these are indications of damage that we're looking for. Don't forget to take a few pictures showing the damage to each item individually as well. After taking the pictures, head over to our website and go to the Forms section using the navigation bar at the top of the page. From here, choose the Shipping Damage Claim form. On mobile devices, click the 3 bars in the upper left corner of the page and scroll down to find the Claims section. Fill in all the required fields with your name, order number, and damaged items. Use the text box to note any address changes or carrier requests. Attach the photos you took of the damaged box and product using the paperclip icon in the lower left corner of the text box. Our goal is to get back to you in a timely manner. We will get the claim filed with the carrier and ship a replacement within 3 to 5 business days from the date we received your claim. Please be aware that you'll want to hold on to the damaged part and packaging for up to 30 days. Occasionally, the carrier will ask to inspect the product and packaging. If you do not hear from us or the shipping company within 30 days, feel free to throw away the damaged items. We don't need them back. If your replacement order arrives damaged, please contact us immediately and we'll get another replacement sent out. However, if your second order also arrives damaged, we would be unable to ship a third replacement. At this point, we would issue you credit for your damaged items. If you have any questions during this process, please reach out. We would be happy to help. We're available to help via chat, email, or phone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay warm.